Imagine if you were told there was a place where the young, the old, millennials, baby boomers, Gen Xers, Gen Yers, Gen whatevers all came together to design, to create, to build, to dream, to believe in each other. Now imagine if that place was real. MINDDRIVE is people from all different backgrounds share a common bond, a common belief that learning is not something we do because we have to, it's something we do because we can. You see, MINDDRIVE is more than a car program, welding, drone, robotics, digital design, or engineering program. It's a sanctuary for the misunderstood, the outcasts, the ones that feel like they don't fit in. It's a place to dream of things that never were and have the audacity to create them.
Feel about Carmen being missing. Carmen's missing? That's crazy.
MINDDRIVE is a place where failure is real, encouraged even, because knowing no matter what happens, no matter how spectacularly you fail, or how often it happens, you'll get back up and keep going. That's when you know you have the confidence, the grit, to aim higher and persevere. This is a place where students and mentors learn to innovate, collaborate, change not only the shape of a piece of metal, but change the direction of their lives. Because we don't ask why, we ask why not. MINDDRIVE is opportunity. It is passion. MINDDRIVE is possibility.